In this video, I will show you how you can make money in the biggest transfer of wealth in human history that is right now taking place in the cryptocurrency market by using the Ultima ecosystem. This is not financial nor legal advice. Now, we are a global blockchain community with millions of members in over 120 countries. We're a growing movement where we help individuals, no matter your background, to start your own blockchain-based business where you're able to earn unlimited amount of income based on your personal efforts. We then show you how you can grow your wealth utilizing specific blockchain tools and also enabling you to connect with other like-minded people who is on the same mission on our global events, online webinars, and during our travels to exciting locations around the globe. Now, over the past years, we have helped thousands and thousands of people from all around the world to achieve their dreams with this platform by showing them a step-by-step strategy on how they can get started, build their business, earn their first €100, €1,000, €10,000, €100,000, and even millions of euro. This is possible for anyone, no matter your background or previous experience, as long as you have a willingness to learn and able to follow the strategies that we will share with you. Now, the reason we all have chosen this platform to find our success in the cryptocurrency market is because this platform and this company has been in the market for the past 10 years. Alex Reinhardt came from nothing, and he was able to free himself utilizing the opportunities in the crypto market. He then recognized that many others are not having the tools or the knowledge to profit in the crypto markets. So he set out on a mission to build a platform that enables over 100 million people to succeed in the new digital economy with the technologies that he brings to the markets. And he's doing this with a team of 1,000 employees, of a technical team, engineers, legal team, marketing team that is forming one of the most powerful teams in the industry. Today, they have developed a proven technology that has generated billions in turnover, where majority is going back to the community. This company is globally legal with all the licenses, trademarks, and patents required for you to build and earn in this business with a peace of mind. Now, what they have developed is a powerful ecosystem, an ecosystem built on the company's own blockchain technology, and in its heart, the Ultima coin, a cryptocurrency with a hyper-deflationary strategy where they are reducing the supply rapidly while growing the community and its utility through many different platforms. Now, the coin today holds a value of $5,000. It's already listed on tier 1 exchanges and verified on CoinMarketCap and other big cryptocurrency aggregators. The vision is to build this coin to a value of $100,000 by continuously decreasing the supply through halvings, freezing, and burning, and build more utility through the ecosystem. Now, the target is to reach this goal in the coming 36 months. Already today, the ecosystem consists of a crypto debit card, the Ultima wallet, the web gaming platform with tens of millions of gamers, the Lucky platform enabling you to earn incredible prizes from one of the many lucky draws, the bot trading technology, the U-marked marketplace, and the U-business technology enabling you to start your business with as little as €110 and make unlimited amount of USDT. Now, the strategy that we apply to find success in the cryptocurrency market is in two different ways. First of all, we have learned that for you to be able to participate in all opportunities that arises in the cryptocurrency market, you need to first to increase your income. You need to start earning money. And the best way to earn is to be paid in cryptocurrency. In this industry, it is very, very powerful when you have a cash flow that comes from your own business that you can run, and by putting in effort, you can earn unlimited amounts of money. So the first step is to teach you how you can start earning money. The second step is to also give you the tools where you're able to multiply this money and build crypto wealth with specific technologies that the companies develop that makes it easy for you to get started in the most simple way possible. Now, the power behind this company comes from it being a community driven company. Today, the company have all the technology, all the infrastructure, all the platforms in place, and all they need now is a growing community. That is why the company pays out 75% of turnover back to the active community who decides to build a business with this company, introduce others to its technologies, and profiting on this journey. You do not require any previous experience. You can start with only €110 and you can leverage existing systems and community where you do not need to do anything yourself. You are having full guidance every step of the way. And there is no limits on the amount of money that you can make in this marketing plan. Now, how do you get started? First of all, to access the ecosystem, you need the Turbo Trading license. This is a license key that gives you full access to all the profit opportunities in the ecosystem, including the automated trading technology. This enables you to trade automatically in the markets 24/7 by keeping your own funds in your own exchange account. We also have the 2x Ultima freezing technology. This enables you to freeze Ultima coins for 36 months and double your amount of coins at the time of unfreezing. This gives you a chance to profit either from the movements in the market with the trading on a daily basis or a more long-term position where you can profit on the journey as the price potentially goes towards $100,000, which is 20 times higher than where the price is today. Now, as you activate the trading, you require an equal amount as the cost of the license to be able to activate the trading. Or if you want to do the freezing, you can freeze an equal amount into the freezing. So to get started in this specific example, you would require €1,100 for the license and then €1,100 for either the trading or the freezing technology. As you have activated your license and your trading or your freezing, you unlock more bonuses. You are able now to participate in the Turbo Pool, which is a liquidity pool paying out Ultima coins on a daily basis, creating a cash flow for you that is extremely lucrative and powerful. The more splits in the pool you have, the bigger share of the earnings on a daily basis you receive. We also have the ULucky tokens that you receive into your wallet. The ULucky tokens you can use to participate in prize draws, such as the 1 Bitcoin giveaway that is coming up very soon. With ULucky tokens, you can participate in different draws on a weekly basis and have the chance to win hundreds of thousands of dollars in prizes. And these are all included when you activate your license and then either the trading or the freezing, where all these bonuses are given. You also receive the U-Energy tokens, which enables you to not pay any fees on the blockchain, which is saving you and enabling you to get started right away with no restriction or no resistance. So this is a very easy way to get started. Get your license, activate the trading or the freezing, receive all the bonuses, and you start earning money today, every day. And also, as Ultima Coins grows in value, you're able to profit on the journey ahead of us. We have licenses starting from €110 all the way up to €11,000. The smaller licenses enables you to access the U-Business technology to be able to build your business and earn money with active efforts, and the trading technology. As you go up on the €1,100 license, you now have access to the business, the trading, the freezing, turbo splits, ULucky, and U-Energy. And if you are someone that wants to earn as much money as possible, as fast as possible, then the €5,500 and €11,000 licenses, the Legacy Builder, is for you, where you're enabling yourself to have bigger chances to earn more from the trading. You receive more from the splitting and you have bigger chances to win from the many price draws on a weekly basis. Now, for you to get started, your first step is to choose which license you want to activate, then to choose if you want to do the trading or the freezing and receive all of your bonuses. Now you're able to earn from the market every day. You're able to benefit as the price of Ultima increases in value and double your coins through the freezing. You earn from the turbo spits every day. You have a cash flow coming into your wallet. And with the U Lucky tokens, you're able to win huge prizes. And by doing this, you pay zero fees initially due to the U Energy tokens given directly into your wallet. When your passive income technology has been set up and you start earning every single day, naturally you want to tell others. And as you do that, you are now starting your business, enabling you to earn unlimited amount of money in USDT by introducing others. And as they acquire licenses, you are getting paid commissions up to unlimited levels down. It is a very powerful and lucrative business model. And the beauty is you do not need to do it alone. We have education, we have events, we have webinars, we have trainings, and we have ongoing support. All you have to do is to get back to the person who invited you, and they will guide you through the process on how you can get started today and how it is that you can get your technology activated to start earning on the crypto markets so you too can be well positioned in the biggest transfer of wealth in human history. The time is short before the masses get started, and if you get started now, you can be there before they come, and that's where the biggest profits are generated. You can do this with the Ultima ecosystem, which has been in the market for 10 years, that has built stability and has a huge vision, and you are able to both passively and actively start earning in the crypto market in the best way possible in this ecosystem. So get started today, go back to the person who invited you, and they will show you how to take the next steps.